make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Attention in the pits. You got about 10-15 minutes on concessions and beer and alcohol.
Motherfucker didn't work, goddammit. Smoking weed.
What about money and honey?
Put his ass down. Money!
Did he run him down or what?
Run him down.
He spent the round?
Yeah, he spent the round. He ran gas 3 times.
Oh, he all right?
Goddamn head gas is coming loose. And that small block shit.
What you think happened?
Hey, man. We got that blue motor, man. I ain't blew a head gas for shit.
Man, I thought money fucked it up, man. I thought you messed it up.
They on.
You didn't mess it up. Oh, that's all you did right here? This little front piece? Man, I'm blessed. I'm glad you ain't, cause I know you love this motherfucker right here, man.
You gotta know how to drive. You can't get on the pressure. Don't know how to turn that bitch around, boy.
Damn, they could just buff that shit, man. I'm glad.
I'm gonna get a whole nother.
You don't need no new bumper for this.
Oh, we don't.
Hell no, man. They can repaint this, man. This just, man, they just gonna sand that shit, get it back smooth, and repaint it, bro. You just need a bumper repaint.
Ain't nothing wrong with the motor. It started up.
They thought it was something wrong with the motor or something, man. They thought they were talking about you leaking transmission fluid everywhere.
The freeze plug blow.
Freeze plug? Okay.
Yeah, freeze plug blow out the plug.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay, everything good, y'all.
We will be back, goddamn.
It will be back.
Goddamn right.
Okay. Well, that ain't, this here pretty good, man.
If you're not an experienced driver, I advise you better get
some seat time.
Seat time.
Yeah.
OG in the game. I'm glad that we didn't go down through the car. We would have been more terrible than that.
Yeah. Well, they lost control at probably what, the finish line or before the finish line?
Before the finish line. I went through the finish line at 98 mile an hour slide.
Damn.
They gave me a time ticket.
Yeah. 98.
98 mile an hour.
Slide.
I'm sliding. God damn. I'm sliding from the time I bumped second girl, hell broke loose.
That bitch can't hold all that power you trying to throw at it.
No, free plugs. When they sit up,
that water, all your water came out the block.
Yeah. free plug will go out. You never know when they're gonna let loose on you.
Damn, man, that was a bad time for it to do it on you. But hey, man, the car's still good. We got Money Honey still in the building. Everything good on the whole car. Caution! Caution! Okay. Yeah, everything's still good on the car. We ain't got no total loss. He will be back to get that cash up out their ass. Look out! Go ahead and do this interview real quick, man. We can talk about you.
I'm telling him how I bust money on this nigga.
Okay, good. Start the story over. Nah, hell no. He ain't. I got the video. You gotta wait to watch it on Lookout Racing, man. I got 3 different camera angles, music in the background, jamming and everything.
Put this on the
Yeah.
I knocked 100 out money.
God damn.
Hey, look out. After I popped, I said, man, you going to the club to go sell some sandwiches because I'm hungry. He said, nah, it's too late. I said, damn, ain't no more barbecue or nothing. So I ain't heard from money since. I don't know if Tony over there trying to get him right, but he can't get right. Hey, they call my shit a mosquito killer.
Oh, yeah. What's called said it killed all the mosquitoes.
I feel good, my team